Can I use a free VIN number check for any make and model of car?
Hello, auto enthusiasts and prospective car owners. Today we're going to delve into a topic that's essential for anyone thinking about buying a used car or simply looking to learn more about their own vehicle: VIN number checks. Can you use a free VIN number check for any make and model of car? Let's find out.
What is a VIN?
Firstly, it's important to understand what a VIN, vehicle identification number, is. A VIN is a unique code, including a serial number, used by the automotive industry to identify individual motor vehicles. It provides information about the vehicle's manufacturer, model, engine type, and other significant details. In short, the VIN is a car's fingerprint. No two vehicles in operation should have the same VIN.
What's a VIN number check?
A VIN number check, or VIN lookup, is a process where you enter a vehicle's VIN into an online tool to access information about the car. This includes details about its manufacturing specifications, recall information, and in some cases, historical data such as accident history and previous owners. A VIN number check can provide valuable insights, especially if you're considering buying a used car and want to ensure it's a good investment.
Can I use a free VIN number check for any make and model?
Here's where we answer our main question. Can you use a free VIN number check for any make and model of car? The answer is, generally, yes. VIN checks can be used for virtually any make and model of car as long as it has a VIN, which should include all road legal vehicles manufactured after 1981. Whether it's a Toyota, Ford, BMW, or any other brand, if it has a VIN, it should be checkable. However, do note that the quality and quantity of information you receive may depend on the service you use. Some free services may provide less information than others, or might not include certain types of data, such as accident history. To wrap things up, a free VIN number check can indeed be used for any make and model of car. However, remember to use a reputable service to ensure you're getting reliable information. As with any decision related to purchasing a vehicle, it's always a good idea to do your homework and consider all relevant factors. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your question and wish you all the best on your journey into vehicle ownership or research. Happy driving!